I'm going to teach you how to play music or audio over multiple slides in Google Slides. This is a fantastic way to make your presentations more dynamic, engaging, and memorable for your audience. Let's dive in and explore the process step by step. First, open Google Slides by navigating to docs.google.com/presentation in your web browser. If you're not signed in already, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. Enter your email and password to proceed. This step is important because your audio files will need to be stored in Google Drive for easy access. Once signed in, you'll arrive at the Google Slides homepage where all your recent presentations are displayed. To start fresh, click on the blank presentation button. This will open a new slide deck for you to work on. You can also give your presentation a title to stay organized, especially if you plan on creating multiple presentations. Now that your blank slide is ready, let's add some audio. Click on Insert in the top menu bar, and from the drop-down menu, select Audio. A new window will open, showing all audio files stored in your Google Drive. If the file you want isn't there yet, make sure to upload it beforehand. Once you find your desired audio, click on it to insert it into the slide. You'll notice a small audio icon appears on your slide, which allows you to control playback and adjust settings. The next step is to configure the audio so it plays over multiple slides. Click on the audio icon, and on the right-hand side, look for audio playback settings. You can choose automatically if you want the audio to start when the presentation begins, or on click if you prefer to trigger it manually. Most importantly, check the option for continuous play. This ensures your music or audio will continue seamlessly as you move through your slides. Once your settings are configured, it's time to test everything. Click Present and go through your slides to make sure the audio plays exactly how you want it. You can adjust the volume, timing, or even switch audio files if needed. Adding music or narration can dramatically enhance the atmosphere of your presentation and help keep your audience focused and engaged. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added audio that plays across multiple slides in Google Slides. Experiment with different tracks, tempos, or sound effects to make your presentations even more captivating. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.